Hi guys, we mentioned earlier that the 2024 Porsche Panamera will be officially presented and premiered on November 24. Finally, after a long time, the 2024 Porsche Panamera was revealed yesterday. Porsche's luxury performance sedan enters its third generation with more of everything. The 2024 Porsche Panamera debuts with more power, revised styling, an updated cabin, and improved entertainment and safety technology. Entry-level Panameras feature a 348 HP turbocharged V6, while the 670 HP turbo e-hybrid sports a twin-turbo V8, a more powerful electric motor, and a larger battery pack. Optional on the turbo e-hybrid is an active suspension that can lean into corners and raise the body for easier entry. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now and join the Kerners family. Following a string of increasingly revealing teases, Porsche finally has taken the wraps off the first models of the redesigned 2024 Panamera lineup, the standard Panamera sedan and all-wheel drive Panamera 4, plus the range-topping U-Turbo E hybrid. While the Sport Turismo wagon body style has been dropped for this third generation due to slow sales, there's still plenty to get excited about. Refined inside and out. Stylistically, it evolves from the second-gen model's form, gaining cleaner lines and more muscular front fenders that rise above the hood like those on a 911. Larger air intakes grace a chunkier snout, while a full-width light bar accentuates a revised rear end. New wheel designs, including the first ever Fitment Essential locking wheels on a four-door Porsche, also are available. And in a sign of things to come to Porsche's future capital turbo models, the Panamera Turbo e-hybrid's interior and exterior trim are dressed in a new dark-hued turbonite finish. Guys, liking our videos and subscribing will be great motivation and support for us. Porsche already gave us a deeper look at the new Panamera's cabin, which borrows from the Taycan E of its innards. But the highlights include a gear selector, toggle now position on the dash, as well as an array of up to 3 digital displays. 12.6-inch unit for the instrument cluster and dual 10.9-inch center and passenger side touchscreens, the latter being optional. Porsche says new foam padding improves the comfort of the Panamera seats, which can be upholstered in materials other than leather. Controls for the drive modes and instrument cluster now reside on the steering wheel, and an updated infotainment system brings better functionality of a user's My Porsche app when connected to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The Panamera's adaptive cruise control and other driver assistance systems also have been updated, and the car can now be remotely parked in certain situations via the driver's smartphone. The Panamera's powertrains closely hew to those found in the updated Cayenne SUV, propelling the standard rear. And all-wheel drive models is a revised turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 that develops 348 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque, increases of 23 horses and 37 pound-feet over the outgoing version. An 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic remains the only transmission choice, with Porsche claiming a 60 mph time of 5.0 seconds for the base car and 4.7 seconds for the Panamera 4. Those are surely conservative estimates, though, as we recorded a 4.4-second run in a test of a 2021 Panamera sedan. Headliner is the all-wheel drive turbo hybrid, the first of 4 Panamera e-hybrid models that will eventually be offered. While Porsche has yet to release full specifications, the new setup centers around a revamped twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, which moves from twin to single-scroll turbos, and a revised 8-speed PDK dual-clutch gearbox that now integrates a more powerful 187 HP electric motor. Combined output is a heady 670 horsepower and 685 pound-feet of torque. Expect a future Turbo S variant to approach the combined 729 horses found in the latest Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid. Guys, we hope this video will be useful for you. If so, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or dislike.